All right, starting off with some warm up here. So this is like my second, technically you could say the third time being here, because this is my second time here today, because it was a rocking like 98 degrees. So I was only here for a little bit until I was like, oh, I'll just try again later. Anyway, this is my first video on making mountain bike stuff, or BMX, I guess, just doing jump parks in general. So since I moved out here, I don't have like a quad or anything anymore, and kind of thought this is more or less like the next best thing I could do, especially price wise. I mean, BMX bike's definitely cheaper than a dirt bike or a four-wheeler for now. But yeah, so far my expectations were, hey, let's just see if I can do that pump track or whatever. The first day I was here, and I did that and did whatever. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I just did like a warm-up. We're just warming up and doing whatever for now. And then the first day I was here, you know what, I'm going to do the first line over here. Right behind me, the first line of this set of jumps here. And I did them, and then I started hitting the jumps, getting more comfortable. So today, my goal, this first line that I just did on that shot there, I want to try and clear each jump on there. That's the end goal today. I want to be able to fully clear it, no casing, be able to get up and over. So let's join me for this journey. Whoa! No way. On that run. No way. I just did it on that run. I'm pretty sure I was like this close. This one I cased like a hair. So close. But yeah, when I'm filming this, since it's just me, I've done like 7-8 runs now, because you have to do each the way you have to film like what one run looks like. But so each rep, each camera angle is like another rep, and I think I got it. I'm gonna put on this last jump We'll see how that looks. I'm this close. I'm this close to getting this line. Oh, this is awesome. Now, if you would have told me that I was going to hit this line and be able to do these second time, pretty much like really focusing and doing it, there's no way. There's no way I would have believed you. So, like the title of the video, I'd say off-roading translates to BMXing, at least for me. It's sick. All right, let's get this line in. Whew, getting hot. Oh. Coming off that first jump over there, I don't know, my back end kicked out on me and I was like, follow through. I followed through and it made me kick off this ramp dump and I almost ate it. All right, let's try that again. Oh, that was, woo. Give her another go. Come on. No way. Got it. The first three. See, that one I was coming in, I didn't think I was going to make it. I thought I was coming in too slow. Oh. But no, that first one felt good. The second one felt good. Third felt real good. I didn't kick off anywhere. I didn't get caught in any weird ruts. Oh, that was nice. I think eventually, eventually I think my first upgrade on this bike is getting rid of these tires, because it feels like I am like skating on ice coming up off a couple of these jumps here. I think that's the hardest part right now for me, is I just get worried my traction when I come off, because if I pull or push, my back end wants to kick sometimes on the pool, or if it gets caught in a rut, these tires don't grab real nice. That's this first line, second time here. Are you kidding me? Come on. I'm like on cloud 9 right now. That's so cool. That's so cool. I think my next goal, I'm going to show you my next goal. Here, I'll show you my next goal quick. Boom. I thought that'd be a cool shot, but I almost just ate it. I'm not doing that again. This is my next goal. That disaster that I just tried there, almost ate it. Yeah, that wasn't the most fun in the world. So this is my next goal here. I want to try and clear this tabletop. So that's got to be, what, from there to there, it's got to be 7 feet once you start getting down. And man, I don't know, this is a little daunting. This lip is just whop. But that's how you get better. You got to push yourself a little bit, I guess. And this is the next one, and I like this one. Instead of that second trail's got some like bigger jumps and stuff on it. I think this is good practice to try and get this one done first to get a better form down, because I know my form on these jumps isn't so good. It's very, I'm very rigid with it. I need to get a little more fluid in the air and with the jumps. That's something I do need to work on, and I can even feel it when I land. But yeah, I think this would be good because it's real soft dirt, so if you land on it and wreck, it's not as bad. It's kind of like ground up. So yeah, it should be a good practice jump for bigger stuff for the next line. All right, Now with that done, we'll just get some shots of riding around at this point, and we'll attack this next time. Cool.